Guys, I wanted to show you this tool that I received from the company. I've been really into using these on my face in the morning and at night. You can read all about the different health benefits for it, but I do find it works for me. It does help depuff. I wake up sometimes with like really puffy eyes from sinus issues, and I just find that like if I do this, it's going to help with that. This is a beautiful one. The handle, it feels very easy to hold. It's almost like thicker in the middle, which is different from some of the other ones. Some of the other ones I've tried are really flat. This one feels thicker in the middle, which makes it like a little easier to use as well as hold onto. I do like to use this along my jawline. I do this every day. It's just a part of my routine now. I put like a serum or an oil on, and then I'm able to use this on my face. This one, again, it's really beautiful. If you're looking to give this as a present, I would also, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy this as a present because it comes with this really pretty case. It's almost like a silicone. It closes. So there's like a nice way to store it, as well as this like cleaner. So you can like polish it off. And it comes in a pretty box with instructions, which is nice because not everybody knows how to use these. And it does talk about the different types of crystals as well, which, so you can see it gives you like how to do it, and then the different properties of the crystals if that's something that you're into. This one is rose. It's really pretty. I'm very happy with this, and definitely I would give this as a gift.